Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a OnePlus Pad 3 and let me share with you how to change the ringtone on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here in this left section we have to scroll and find sound. Then let's scroll down and find this ringtone and alert sounds and tap on the ringtone at the top. So here we've got two different sections from which we can choose the ringtone from, so from the classic ones and nature. So let me choose something from nature maybe. After tapping on the specific album, let's say, we will be transferred to the list of pre-installed ringtones from which we can choose. So basically just tap on the... Alright. Basically just tap on the option which you'd like to check and then listen to it and decide whether you like it or not. What is more, if you'd like to apply the ringtone, just make sure that it is marked. So let's pretend I'd like this shimmer option to be set, and it is marked, so we can go back. As you can see, it is notified right here and also right here, which means that from now on your device will use the chosen ringtone to notify about the incoming call. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.